Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm here with one of the companies that have definitely become a fave, Gorgius Wig. Listen, every time this company sends me a wig, it is always immaculately done. It is really top tier, honestly. Open the box, I'm seeing, bag here. Always get these for you can store your wig in, branded Gorgius. And then I'm seeing the wig. Before we jump into that, I got a pair of wig caps. I also got this pouch, which is the last thing in there. This does have a few goodies inside. So I have an elastic band. Got this here with some pins. I got two little clips. And I got an edge brush and comb. And lastly, I got a pair of tweezers. That's everything inside. So I'm pretty sure you guys think this is just another pretty balayage regular wig. Sis, no. This is a flawless 26-inch. You listening? A 26-inch synthetic lazy balayage wig that we're working with, guys. The thing about this, you never know it's synthetic just by looking at it, because it doesn't have that fake shiny look at all. Listen, what? Girl, this is my, I've reviewed synthetic of 3 synthetic wigs in one video before, but they were bobs. I've never reviewed a synthetic wig that looks so much like a regular lace front wig that I'll do on a daily basis here. What? Everything looks so realistic. You would not know this is not human hair, So it's really elegantly styled or curled, and it's pretty. Oh my gosh. And it's definitely giving statement vibes, a statement hair look. You understand? You have this wig on, nobody can tell you nothing. It looks really, really good. It's bouncy. The movement, oh my gosh, the movement is great. It's not stiff. Sometimes they have the synthetic wigs, they're limited when it comes on to movement and stuff. So another great feature for this wig is it's heat resistant. Yes, you can go up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit with this wig, or 180 degrees Celsius. And the wig cap, it's a medium cap size. So this is also the construction of the wig. It's very breathable. So your scalp can breathe underneath. And it is a curved side parted wig, and it does have a little 1 inch space. Well, it isn't 1 inch, but a little space in the front to let the hairline shine through where they kind of stop the cap there. So that's how that feels. But I love the fact that it's not giving that fake shiny look. Nothing I hate more than when it has that fake shiny look. That's not cute to me at all. So I'm very, very pleased. As I said, it's 26 inches long. It feels very good. Yeah, shedding. Got a few strands. I got 3. Are you seeing? I got 3 strands. But so yeah, it's very minimal shedding. And as you can see, it's a Bodywave texture. I just can't believe, guys, that this. Oh my gosh, I'm running my fingers through it like I normally would. You can definitely tell that something is different though. You can tell it's a little thicker. You just know that, yeah, it's not all the way human, but you really wouldn't know if they never tell you. You'd just be a little skeptical that what's going on with today's wig. But yeah, it's nicely layered as well. Nice layers. So they already really done it up for you. So now that I show you guys everything, it even have adjustable straps in the back, and there are combs on the inside too, to well, no, it's just, yeah, there are 3 combs in total if you want to secure it more to your head and stuff. So yeah, now that I show you guys that, oh my gosh, enough of my rambling. Let me finally go ahead and try this wig on for sorry guys, I'm so happy. So we're gonna do a nice glueless install. Let's go. Okay, so it's on the one thing. I wish the parting was on the neck side, because I don't usually do my side parts over here, over this side of my head, but you know, the parting space, it is confined, so I can't switch it over. I wish the parting was on the left, because I love flipping my hair to the right. It's very lightly plucked, like super light, you know, but the thing is, it's very full, but thankfully it's not too dense where it looks too bulky in the hairline. So you just want to treat it very delicately though. Even though it feels so good, it's still synthetic, so you want to treat it, and because it's so long as well, you don't want to like be too rough and then it starts tangling on you and stuff. Oh my gosh, you see that? Wow. I've never worn my hair on the side. It's so different from me. So of course the ear portion, it's not that much longer than where like to go around my ears. So I'm just gonna take off the extra lace. I feel like the waves that are in it though, like, are already so perfect. I don't think I want to disrupt those, because it looks so good and like it's holding up really well with those waves. I don't think I need to do anything to those. So yeah, it fits around my ear there perfectly. I don't have to kind of like cut into the wig at all. So this medium was pretty, the sizing is pretty exact, which I don't mind. Like, it's not overly snug or anything. I lightly spray on the hairline. As I said, it's really thin, even though it's not like it doesn't have like a graduation going on, which I really, listen, you see, if they gave this like really like a nice even 1-inch graduation, oh girl, they would have taken it to the next level. But it's still really good as is, because at the end of the day, it's still synthetic. You're still getting like great quality for your money. Honestly, right now, I'm telling you guys 100% truth. It brings me so much joy to be able to give you guys such an option for a wig. Like, how do I put it? A wig that looks just like any other wig that I have showcased on this channel. Because I know that some of you out there, like, you're in a stage of your life where you're probably trying to get it together. You don't want to spend bank on a wig, or you know, you're just trying to save, maybe probably just in a tough spot, or just overall feel like you want to spend less to get a nice looking wig. And how would they know that this is not human hair? This is why I know Matilda said Gorgius Wig definitely has made it on my list, that part of my list where, like, my favorites. They've become one of my favorites, like, easily. From the first wig that I ever tried from that company, with it was like a bang wig with like the lace in it. Oh my god. And I don't even do bangs like that. Like, their quality is just top tier, you know? As I said, I would literally, one thing I would definitely change or upgrade on this wig is just like the lace front portion. Just make it like a deeper, but then maybe that's gonna make it a little bit more costly, you know, I don't know. But like, as I said, it can't easily be overlooked. It can't easily be overlooked because it's still very flat. It's not bulky. as I said, what I noticed so far with it, like if you're not careful or if you're not gentle, I feel like this is with all synthetic wigs, it will become matted or tangled rather easily, you know. So you want to be gentle with, this is so pretty. You want to be gentle with when you're just detangling it and combing it out and stuff like that. Very quick, very simple, very easy, very to the point. That's the wig for today. That's today's wig look. Shout out to Gorgius Wig once more for such a beautiful, you know, wig, synthetic. Shout out to them. They did their thing. They really did. And I love it. Love it. So let me know what you guys think. As I said, let's talk in the comments. And I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in the description box if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself. If you want to see the specifications, that will be listed in the description box as well. So please go ahead, check that out. I am just loving it. I'm honestly loving it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to stick around, stay tuned for the next one, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.